The instruction manual for the machine 040337. Machine setup. Enable automatic circuit breaker. Wait until the main menu of the terminal loads. The terminal main menu consists of 1. The menu for selection of section parameters. 2. The menu for setting the values of the settings parameters. 3. Manual mode menu. 4. Automatic mode. Attention! Settings menu options are factory set. Menu access is password protected. Changing the values of these parameters can lead to incorrect operation of the machine. Select manual mode on the terminal touch screen. Check the movement direction of the base plate. If the movement direction of the base does not coincide with the signs on the terminal, change the power supply phase of the machine. Exit to the main menu. The exit icon is located in the lower left corner of the terminal. On the terminal, select the section parameters menu. Set the desired values of the insulated section, the length of the right frontal part frontal right, the length of the left frontal part frontal left, the length of the groove part groove, angle, frontal offset, groove offset, the displacement amount of the insulation layer step, the number of passes. The trajectory of the winding head is set by selecting the corresponding icon. Exit the insulation section parameter settings menu. By pressing the initial position button once, set the carriage to the central position of the winding head on the rotary plate along the guides of the machine, the base plate to the extreme right position. Install the right mounting clamp on the bracket catchers of the support roller on the winding head and fix it in place with the retaining clip. Depending on the insulated section length of the groove part, install the left mounting clamp either on the rack rails of the turntable or on the rack rails of the machine housing. Mounting clamps and racks are included with the machine. Turn the ring gear of the winding head so that the slots of the winding head and carriage coincide. Insert the section into the winding head. Rotate the flywheels and adjust the vertical position of the left mounting clamp and the support roller. Align the section in the center of the winding head. Secure the insulated frontal parts of the section with pneumatic clamps of the frontal part holders. Secure the non-insulated groove part of the section with pneumatic clamps of the groove part holders. Remove the mounting clamps and stand from the machine. On the terminal main menu, select the automatic mode. By pressing the button Initial Position, set the winding head to its original position. The term initial position of the winding head means the position at which the winding head is in the specified extreme right position. The frontal part of the section passes along the axis of the winding head. The rotary plate is rotated relative to the axis of the machine body. To verify the correct parameter settings of the insulated section, press the Start button to make a test run of the machine. The machine will work according to the specified program. The machine can be stopped in the pause mode by pressing the pause button. To continue work, press the Start button. When you press the stop button, a warning window is displayed on the terminal display. To continue working, depress the stop button. By pressing the button initial position, set the winding head to its original position. Refill the insulation tape. Press the start button to start the machine. The machine will work according to the specified program. Adjust the overlap of the insulating tape by turning the knob, rotation frequency of the winding head. At the end of work, press the stop button and remove the insulated section from the machine. Electric equipment repair supplier, ELECTROMASH Trading House.